Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video we're going to talk about this booster, which is 10 back when you spend 30 in cough, cold, pain, pediatrics, valid from Jan 29th to February the 11th. This is a one-time use, so we're on the same page of music here. And yes, it stacks with both other digital and paper boosters. So just to show you the booster a little closer, a lot of you were asking me like, hey, could you do a matchup for this? And I've worked on two of them for you, but I also think that because it is cold and flu medication, a lot of us have items that we really like or we believe is a cure for the cold or flu. So what I might have in my basket, you might like something completely different or vice versa. So I just want to throw that out there as well. Now, if you might have something like this, a 5 back when you spend 20, stacking these two, yes, that will work for you. Or if you have a 10 back when you spend 50, so you're getting $30 of cold medication, get $20 of other stuff. And then in store, this guy, definitely scan that to get maximum points back or Walgreens cash back. Hopefully if you just even buy something small, one of these will print out for you in the Catalina machine. Okay, I jotted down a couple things, guys. The first being that all digital coupons and boosters are of a one-time use. Even if they're still living in your digital coupons folder, they are a one and done. For the balance, pay with your debit card or credit card online. In store, the same thing, or bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, especially if you're shopping in store, because it will skew your balance. There are less cold and flu medications right now on the floor because we are at the height of cold and flu season. Don't be alarmed if you can't find very much in your store. Also a personal choice, so you might have to root around and see what your store might have. Make sure that the spend 30, get back 10 is listed. And in store, it's between $3 to $5 more for most of the stuff that you can get for curbside. So I really believe that curbside is the way to go for this offer. So if you're looking at the various cold, flu medicines and other items that they have, if you see this spend 30 in cold cough, you know it's part of it. If you don't see this, don't grab those items. You can scan barcodes or look for it in the app. And as stated, I saw quite a bit of this where entire aisles empty because it is that really bad cold and flu season right now. And I guess items are not being restocked as quickly and there's a lot of empty holes. Okay, so the first deal we're going to look at, of course, we have our 10 when we spend 30 loaded. In store for the Vicks, that little rub that they have, it's $8.99, which is quite a bit. Curbside, the same product is $5.99, so that is $3 less for this ointment. So, I mean, curbside's the way to go, guys. Putting two of those into your basket, load the following digital coupons, a $2 off and a $1.50 off. Items I'm going to grab from my basket is this double pack of the inhalers for $9.99, and then a daytime nighttime for the Vicks Dayquil for $10.99. Also so much cheaper as a curbside than in store. This stuff is really expensive in store. So for the Dayquil NyQuil, we have a $2 off, so make sure that you have this one loaded as well. So the overall basket here is $32.96. So after all of the digital coupons, it's $31.44. You're going to get back $15 in Walgreens cash. There's some sort of like spend 15 in P&G products, and Vicks and Dayquil are part of it. So you'll get an extra 5 for that, plus 10 back for spending 30. And then if you have a 5 back when you spend 20, that's another 5. So this possibly could be a $15 or $20 back in Walgreens cash. Remember, as you're using boosters, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but you're basically getting your basket on the cheap. Okay, the final basket that I have, again, is another curbside, and I'm just going to show you why. In store for these coldies, and it's one of these items that you either really like or you don't. It's supposed to shorten your length of your cold, but who really knows if that's accurate or not. In store, these are $15.99. And hang on to your hat for this, guys. As a curbside price, it's $11.99 for the exact same product. So putting 4 into a basket, that's $35.96. And then we're going to load this $3 digital coupon. Sadly, coupons.com doesn't have a comparable, so we can stack that. We also are going to look on the IBOTTA rebate app. We are going to get $2 back, up to 3 per coldies. Looking at the overall basket, guys, for those coldies, it's $35.96. Remember, it's on a BOGO 50% off promotion. Curbside pickup is free. Make sure you go to the photo department and ask for them to print out a receipt pour vous. The coupon's coming off for the new total of $35.12. Let's not consider the tax, though. It is a bit much for that. If you have only the 10 back when you spend 30, it'll be like $17 after the IBOTTA rebate for the 4. And then if you might have a 5 back when you spend 20, it's going to be like $12 for the 4, which is a really good price point after the 5 back when you spend 20, the 10 back when you spend 30, and the IBOTTA rebate, which is $6 back. Skedaddle, guys, look at that Mucinex for $34.99. It's this DM one, which is like, I guess it'll just like punch your cold right in the face, but my God, I was shocked how expensive that was. $2 back from IBOTTA. I know that a lot of us like probably wouldn't even walk near that thing because it's so expensive, but wow, in store that is really, really expensive. So you might want to really consider something curbside. It's a lot cheaper, and like wow, this is just really, really expensive. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.